guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing this makeup look, the eye look actually. And the reason why I'm doing this look is because I told you guys on my last video about this palette that I wasn't so impressed. So I told you guys that I was going to give it a try, and I always give a chance to every product that I use, and I don't like it, I have to use a second time and maybe change the technique, and we'll see if it maybe works better. And yes, the problem with this was the brush was too small. That's why that was so patchy, the eyeshadow. So I used with my good blending brush this time and make a little difference. The shadow actually are very good. It's less chalky, less patchy this time, but still a lot of fallout. So if you doesn't want your face full of shadow, you're gonna go very easy on the pen. So let's do this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if it is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Just can stay to go follow my return subscriber. I want to thank you guys a lot. Thank you a bunch for coming back, watching my videos, supporting me. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you. So let's do this. Alright guys, so I have my base done. So I told you guys we're gonna give the palette a second try. So I have a mirror here, so let's just see what we can create with these shades and see how they perform now. Okay, so and I have my blending brushes here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I was talking about, the November Box of Charm brushes. So this is my regular blending brushes, right? You guys see the size of them, and this is the Luxie blending brush, just so you guys can see the difference in size. You know, like can't work this shade here called Clove. All right, and just let's go from there and see where we get. You know, I was talking about the palette of mirror here, yeah, and now I have to hold the palette so I can get the shade and hold the mirror. No winning. So let's start, see what we can create here. Smaller brush with them. Try to use these. Fallout with this eyeshadow is serious. Yeah, so the shades, the eyeshadow perform better, but they are a little chalky, like I said, and they do a lot of fallouts. Still don't got time for that. You do have to clean up after you're done. Going to do my eyeliner up really quick. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna glue in my lashes really quick and I'll be right back with you guys. This is the finished look. My thought on the shadows is I give it a second try and it actually works better. I think that the problem that I had with the shadow last time was the brush that was too small and I had to go back to the pen a lot of time. I used last time, and this is my blending brush that I used this time and made a huge difference. The shadow is less patchy, still a lot of fallout, but it's not as patchy as the first time. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, stay, enjoy the family, don't go, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments below, okay? See you guys next video. Bye!